Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain TD Bank app preview to see with what you're using. So to get started, the TD Bank app is a mobile banking tool that lets customers manage their finances conveniently from their smartphones. It offers features like mobile check deposit, bills payment, money transfer with Zelle, account monitoring, and the ability to lock or unlock card. The app also supports Face ID and Touch ID login for security, and it provides branch and ATM locator for added conveniency. So the app also available on both iOS and Android, and it's designed with an intuitive interface that makes day-to-day banking easier. However, the TD Bank has received some criticism from users regarding frequent crashes, login issues, and limited transaction alert. Some customers also note that transaction history can be difficult to navigate, and the app occasionally experiences technical glitches during update. So in my conclusion, the app still worth using if you're already a TD Bank customer looking for an easy way to handle everyday banking tasks, but not the strongest choice compared to the competitors with more reliable performance and fuller alert features. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.